In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a rotating logo in Adobe After Effects. So I have my logo here, but you can use whatever kind of item you want. And with this selected, I'm first going to make it 3D by pressing this 3D layer here. If you don't see that one, you can go at the bottom here and then click the expand or collapse layer switches panel, and then it becomes visible. Now that's 3D. I'm going to open up my layer by clicking this arrow here, and then you can see the X, Y, Z rotation. I'm going to make a keyframe by clicking the stopwatch for the Y rotation in the beginning, and then I'm going to go, for example, 5 seconds and make the Y rotation 360. And if I now go back to the beginning and I press play, as you can see, my logo is now rotating, and you can make it quicker by moving your keyframes closer together, or make it slower by putting them further apart. If you want to have it rotating indefinitely, you can Alt or Option click this stopwatch here, and now you can give in an expression. And for this one, I'm going to choose loop out, like this. So if I now play, it keeps rotating, it doesn't stop, it goes the entire length of my project. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.